Are you looking for birth control that doesn't have the hormonal side effects that can come with a method like the pill or the shot? Do you want something that's not going to get in the way of sex? Well, you might want to try a barrier method of birth control like the diaphragm or the cervical cap. Diaphragms and caps, and the spermicide used with them, form a physical and chemical barrier around your cervix, which is the entrance to your uterus. This prevents sperm from reaching an egg. To use a diaphragm or cervical cap, you start by adding a little of the spermicide and then squeeze the edges together and gently nudge the cap or diaphragm into your vagina so that it covers your cervix. If you're not sure where your cervix is, don't worry. The healthcare provider who prescribes your diaphragm or cap will show you how to get it in, where to place it, how to take it out, and answer any questions you might have. Another thing to know is that you can insert a diaphragm or cap several hours before sex, but you must leave it there for at least 6 hours after. Once removed, you can wash it and use it over and over again. How effective are they? Well, out of 100 women using the diaphragm in a year, anywhere from 6 to 16 will get pregnant. For the cap, the range is from 14 to 29. That's because the cap is less effective for women who've been pregnant or given birth. By the way, neither of these methods protect against sexually transmitted infections, so always use condoms with them if you're concerned about STDs. If you're interested in learning more about the diaphragm and cervical cap, visit arhp.org. Check out our nifty birth control comparison tool to see how the cervical cap and diaphragm stack up against other methods.